What's going on today?
Well, today we have the inaugural Eggnog Challenge in Utah. We're very excited about it, first time ever.
Well, you're gonna start off by drinking 8 ounces of eggnog, and then you're gonna run a lap, 90 seconds. Then you have 90 seconds to drink another cup of eggnog, then run another lap in 90 seconds, and you keep doing that until you puke, and last person to puke wins.
Cleanup committee, who's on that?
The rain.
The rain,
I'm
okay?
thinking it's gonna snow, then just freeze to the track. We'll find it next spring sometime.
It'll be good.
It's all good.
What are the risks of this activity?
There not really any risks other than the potential, oh wait, you will vomit.
John is now in law school. I'm wondering, are there any legal ramifications for this event?
Well, I just hope everybody knows Nate is the one who planned all this, and he assumes all liability.
Can happen at
What's the date today?
That's December 11th today.
Oh, all right. Well, it will expire today.
1, 2, 3.
Eggnog!
It's recording.
All right.
Yeah, that looks good.
All right. We gotta do 90s, boys!
Hey, get out of my camera! This camera's for me! Get out of here! Woo! Yeah!
Knock me!
How's everyone feeling?
Sick already.
How's it going, Hobo?
It's disgusting. Woo!
You just store some in the mustard. Nice.
I'm good. I'm good. Shut up! Shut up!
Hey, Reagan's cheating.
Oh gosh!
He's sprinting to puke early. Oh, you're like 15 seconds off. Sean, you gotta carry your cup the whole time.
Dude, I'm feeling good.
I'm running with the bananas.
No, dude, I'm feeling fantastic.
Reagan, you don't look so good. There's Coach Eyestone in there.
No problem.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Anyone getting close? This is where people usually start to puke.
Oh.
On the ground.
Oh boy. Feeling good, dude. Feeling good. Black inside. I know, they're disgusting. Yeah, no touching. No touching. Oh, sweet, merciful crap.
This might be the one. This might be the one, Ian.
My number matter. Knock me.
How's it going, Cosby? Why are you guys hanging out over by the grass here?
Trying to focus. Little sips.
Did we miss somebody?
Okay. I'm good. Look at Cosby.
Come on, Nate! You were dog running. I wouldn't stand. Oh, we got another one.
Steer it up. Oh.
Tilt the camera down.
Gross. Okay, that's enough of that.
See you, Nate.
I don't think I can get one more now.
Is that Rex?
Oh, Connor!
I hope the camera can't hear. Smile.
Can you drink this cup? And the answer is yes.
You guys get a nice little treat around his neck.
Nate, how's it feel now that you're out?
I go all day long.
You ready to start over?
That's right. No, you got it. You got it.
Champions right here.
I don't know if I should be proud of myself for this.
Travis Fuller, what word would you use to describe how you feel right now?
Great.
I don't believe you.
I'm gonna throw up soon. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Jared's still throwing up.
How many are we at?
This is 10th lap.
Oh, nice.
Maddie. Suck it up. Suck it up, Maddie. Come on, Maddie.
I got $2 on you.
Yeah, a few dollars.
Suck it.
Travis!
Suck it up.
Get some eggnog!
Suck it up.
Travis, you can't drop out. Travis.
Oh! Come on, Brian! Come on! Oh. One down! No, don't!
Stay strong, dude.
This is the 12th.
You're about to be the winner, dude. You just gotta do like one more.
I got it.
Empty cups, empty cups, empty cups. Empty.
Wyrick's, oh, Wyrick's out. What a beautiful day.
90 seconds.
How do you feel? Come on, get it!
Sean, how many laps How far have we been going when you started?
I just throw up.
2 cups? Okay. Dig it over the glass. Hey, let's start doing 100-meter sprints.
I don't want to. I don't want to.
You got it. You got to.
I don't want to.
You have to. Drink it. Drink it. Drink it. Drink it. Drink it. Stay up. Drink it. Drink it. Drink it. Do not throw up. Do not throw up. Do not drink it. Do not throw up. Let's go, bud. Do not. Do not throw up. You're good. You're good. Don't throw up. You got 40 seconds. Chill. You got 40 seconds. You're good. You're good. Just keep it in your mouth when it comes up. You got this. No, go. Hold it. Hold it. You got 30 seconds. You're fine. Hold it.
I'm so sick. Oh my god.
There you go.
There you're good.
There you go, boys.
Is it just us two?
You got this. Let's go.
Who do you think, Morgan?
Guy with the helmet cam. Oh, there. Oh,
You beat that guy? You're in top 2.
Don't give up, man.
Down to 1 sprinter. He started a lap late.
You still got a whole minute. You got a whole minute left.
30 seconds! Yeah, and he's out. Let's go, Sean! Let's go, Sean! World record. We got this, baby! Record! It's a gallon!
There goes a gallon of egg.
Knock!
Travis for inviting me.
You're welcome, Doug!
Hey, hurry, I'm gonna throw over that whole group.
That's recording now. Okay.
Hurry, I'm gonna do it right here.
Closer.
Act like you're throwing up.
I really will.
Oh, come on, not on the track. Yo, someone get a camera on that.
John, come on, man. You only got 200 meters. 200 meters.